In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to dropship products to Shopify. We'll start by setting up your store. Create your Shopify account, then log into your admin dashboard. This is your command center where you'll add products, manage orders, and customize your storefront. Even on a free trial, you can get everything ready so you're set to launch when you're comfortable. Next, install a dropshipping app. Head to the Shopify App Store from your admin and search for popular options like DSers or Zendrop. Click Add App, follow the prompts, and approve the permissions so the app can connect to your store. Take a moment to compare features such as automated ordering, shipping options, and tracking updates to pick the one that fits your workflow and budget. Now, connect a supplier. Inside your chosen app, link your account to suppliers. For example, connect AliExpress via DSers. You'll typically authorize the connection once, and the app will sync supplier data directly with your store. As you link suppliers, check product ratings, shipping times, and return policies so you're confident about quality and delivery estimates. With that set, import products. Browse the app's catalog or use filters to narrow by niche, price, or shipping location. When you find an item you like, click Import to bring it into your store's draft list. Start with a small selection so you can refine the details and test demand before expanding your catalog. Before anything goes live, edit product details. Tweak the title to be clear and searchable, and write a description that highlights benefits, materials, sizing, and use cases. Set your pricing to cover product cost, app fees, and advertising, leaving room for profit. Update images with clean, high-resolution photos, reorder them to showcase the best shots first, and add alt text for accessibility and SEO. Make sure your variants, like size or color, are correct and easy to choose. When you're ready, publish the products. Use the app's push to store or similar button, then confirm the products are active on your sales channels. Preview the product pages to ensure everything looks polished and accurate. Finally, fulfill orders. When a customer buys, open the order in your dropshipping app and place it with the supplier. The app usually autofills the customer's address and selected variants. Confirm the order, and the supplier handles packing and shipping. Tracking details typically sync back to Shopify so your customers stay informed. This setup lets you sell products without holding inventory. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials.